While loops are pretty similar to what you do in everyday life. Imagine you are washing your car. You will keep scrubbing until it's clean. So while it's not clean, continue to scrub. So you're evaluating these things all the time. Hey there, we've got a new loop to help your farmer out. It's called a while loop. It's pretty simple actually. While a statement at the top is true, do something. For example, while there's a pile, remove one shovelful. Go ahead and give it a try with your farmer.
Look closely at the code below. What will happen after you click Run? Nothing will happen. The farmer will never stop removing dirt. The farmer will remove dirt as long as there is a pile, then stop when the pile is gone. I don't know. Oh my! This pile is so big that it's hard to guess how much dirt is in it. We've added a new block to the toolbox called the While There Is a Pile block. Use this to remove dirt only while there is still some to scoop. Let's try that again, but with more piles. Now the harvester needs to pick all of the lettuce. Use while there is lettuce inside of a repeat loop to get it all. Pick all of the lettuce.
Every athlete knows that you get good by practicing, by repeating the same moves until you get really good, or until you reach your goal. When I was in high school, I wouldn't leave practice until I made 10 free throws in a row. Similarly, when you get to a computer program and repeat a command, you can give it an exact number of times to repeat. Or you can define a goal and tell it to repeat the command until it reaches some goal. In the next example, the repeat block is changed. Instead of specifying how many times you want it to repeat, you can use the repeat until block to tell the Angry Bird to do the same thing until it gets the pig or until it crashes into a wall. And again, we can put multiple blocks inside the loop and repeat a series of actions.
The lettuce is now only at the end of the path. Travel down the path until you reach a head of lettuce, then continue to pick it while there is still some left. The lettuce is scattered all over the garden. Travel down each path until you reach a head of lettuce, then continue to pick it while there is still some left. The lettuce is scattered all over the garden. Travel down each path until you reach a head of lettuce, then continue to pick it while there is still some left.
We have a new block that's called the if-else block. It's a conditional statement just like the if block that you've used in the puzzles before. But now there's a new part at the bottom that says else. The if-else block lets the bee make a decision between two sets of actions. If the bee is at a flower, the bee will do the set of actions you put in the first part where it says do. If the bee is not at a flower, the bee will do the set of actions you put in the slot where it says else. So if statements are how computers are able to make decisions. Humans set up conditions for the computer that say if the computer is presented with a certain situation, do this. Else, which just means otherwise, do that. The top of our if-else block says if at flower, but the top of our block could say other things like if nectar equals 2, or if there's a path ahead. And our block will behave in the same way, that if the statement on the top is true, it will do the first set of actions. But if the statement on the top is false, it will do the second set of actions.
Challenge: the only way to get all of the crops is to move forward until you get to the lettuce, then turn left if there is a path to the left. Otherwise, turn right. Move forward until you get to the lettuce, then turn left if there is a path to the left. Otherwise, turn right.